Imagine scaling your mining operation without worrying about hardware, electricity, or maintenance. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, IceRiver's cloud-based hosting is making that dream a reality. Scaling up your crypto mining can feel like a huge hurdle. It means more machines, more power, and more headaches. But what if I tell you that you could expand without all the hassle? IceRiver's cloud-based hosting lets you grow your operation from anywhere in the world. Let's break it down. One of the biggest challenges in mining is scaling. Traditional setups require massive upfront costs for hardware, cooling, and electricity. But with IceRiver's cloud hosting, scaling is as easy as upgrading your online plan. You get access to powerful machines without needing to maintain them personally. Another game changer is efficiency. Traditional setups come with downtime and unpredictable maintenance. But with IceRiver's cloud-based hosting, you're always running at peak performance. You can track your mining operation in real time, monitor profitability, adjust settings, and even automate processes to ensure you're always maximizing your returns. And lastly, flexibility is key. With IceRiver, you're not tied to one location. Access your rigs, check their performance, and make tweaks, all from your smartphone or computer. Whether you're on vacation or managing multiple mining farms, you have full control. Ready to level up your mining? Head over to IceRiver.eu and explore how their cloud hosting can take your operation to new heights.